Guys, if you're looking for a job, and I know a lot of people are right now, the last thing you should do is go on a job board, start posting your credentials, submitting resumes. You're not gonna get seen. All that stuff is being screened out by AI. You're lost in the sauce. The first thing you should do is pick up your phone and start calling people in your network. And I know that doesn't sound sexy, but that is what you should do. The problem is you go on these job boards, you're gonna get drowned out. You gotta get fed through AI. You're competing against a bunch of people. You can't stand out for who you are. Nobody's gonna read those listings anyways. AI is reading all of them. I covered this a year ago, guys. McDonald's is using AI to screen tens of millions of job applications. You can't stand out. And the reason I wanted to talk to you, I'm on vacation, guys. As you can see, I've got a bay behind me. I'm at the ocean. I'm on the beach. I was listening to Bob Marley as I crossed over the bridge to get to the island. But I wanted to call you and tell you a quick story here on the YouTube. Thanks guys for being subbed. You mean a lot to me, and that's why I come here 6 days a week to talk about AI, jobs, how you can actually stand out and remain relevant, respected, and financially free, at least the moves that I'm making. But I wanted to call you guys here because as we were driving to the beach on our vacation, I said, hey Google, call Neil blank, basically my brother. And it said, well, I've got a few Neils in your inbox. Which Neil do you want? And I said the name, and it actually forwarded me to the wrong person, a guy that I had gone to college with. I didn't even know him that well. He was a tutor at the university that I went to school with. And it got on the phone, I was like, oh, the wrong person, hang up, hang up, hang up. Then he calls me back and I miss his call. He calls me back again, I miss his call. And then after I finished the call with my brother, I went ahead and called this guy. Again, he was a tutor. I wasn't even friends with him. I had his number. He was a tutor at the university I went to school with, always downstairs in the business department. By the way, quick side note on college, I got a business degree in business management and marketing, and I didn't need that degree at all. So guys, if you think that you need to go to university to get hired, you absolutely do not. It is not. The jobs that I'm doing now require no university schooling. That's a whole nother topic. Anyway, get on the phone with him and I was like, oh, hey, are you still tutoring? I remember you were doing that. So, yeah, I just kind of called you on accident. I butt dialed you. We got to talking a little bit and he said that, well, he's got this online fitness coaching program that he's doing high ticket sales and he's bringing people on. And I said, oh, that's cool. I'm doing marketing right now and I'm working for this Amazon SaaS company and things are going well and I'm doing this. I'm on YouTube, got a great community of really, really intelligent guys that watch, that leave great comments. I see you guys, I pin you guys, keep it up. And anyway, we got to talking, kind of going back and forth. And by the end of the call, he cold offered me a job. He said, hey, we're actually looking for someone that can help network and create creator partnership accounts. We need someone who can build partnerships, something that I have some experience with. I'm bringing on sponsors. I've got sponsored videos, both for me and for other clients. And I was like, dude, thank you so much. It wasn't a hard offer. It wasn't like I'll pay $100K a year to do this or $50K, or you didn't give me an offer, $200 an hour. But he kind of made me a cold offer and I said, well, listen, man, I'm kind of like happy with what I'm doing now. I've got some good projects. I'm excited about what I'm doing. So it's not the right fit for me now, but yo, let's keep in touch. I love what you're doing. I might have some different suggestions. I recommended, by the way, using Fathom AI, integrating it into your CRM because he said he was doing a lot of sales calls. I said, are you using Fathom? He said, yeah. I'm like, do you have it connected to your CRM? He said, no. I'm like, do that today. He said, all right, I'll get my tech team on it. So anyway, what's the moral of the story? Guys, I almost got another client, another customer, another job on accident. And how did that happen? Getting on the phone. And I just want to reiterate this. You might not even be looking for a job right now. You might be stable. You might have a good job. You might have good clients. You have a good business growing. That doesn't matter. That doesn't matter, guys. You don't buy insurance after your house burns down. You start making those calls. You start buying insurance beforehand. And so that's what I would encourage you to do today. Guys, I have really pushed this a lot, but I really feel like not a lot of you are doing this. Open up your phone. Call someone that you haven't spoken to a while, but that you respect, okay? You don't even need to know them that well, right? Don't be embarrassed. Don't be scared. Just call someone. Okay? Do it by accident. Just call a random person and just get your juices flowing. Because if something happens with my income now, I have gotten offers from 2 different people, cold offers, not hard offers, but I've gotten 2 different offers in the past 30 days, and I'm not even looking. The best time to look is when you're not looking, you know? And anyway, I'm gonna enjoy my time here at the beach. I'll be checking in with you guys tomorrow, but I really wanted to share that story. It's not about AI today. It's about what matters, which is actually making money, staying relevant, building skills that matter. And I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in to the video. I'm gonna go check out some manatees and go swim with my kids. All right, guys, see ya, peace.